Govindam is there, and Chapescha Madhusudana or salvation, because all the belief, all the faith, they end with one thing, that is salvation. And Rathetu Vamanam Društva Punarjanma na vidyate. If one gets to see Lord Jagannatha, he is in the name of Vamana. Vamana means dwarf. Because if one looks at the image or the body of Lord Jagannatha looks very dwarf, because large eyes and large face, but the height is small. So Vamanam Društva, and Vamanam, that was also an avatar of Lord Krishna. And Lord Jagannatha is understood to be no avatar. He is the avatari. He is the root of all avatars or incarnations. That is the belief, and that is the way worship is done, and that is the way consciousness, Jagannatha consciousness is carried. So if one gets to see Lord Jagannatha on the chariot, that is enough of things to bring salvation. That is the belief, and that is there for hundreds of years. And Lord Balabhadra is getting readied, because the floral decorations will be there, because the body has been tethered to the back adornment of the chariot, so that when the chariot will be pulled by the devotees, there will be no irregular movement, and there will be no difficulty to the body of the Lord, and there will be no untoward situation that may happen. So to make sure that everything goes smoothly, comfortably, this is the arrangement that is being done. So salvation is the end of all worship, all belief and all faith. And this is the way three chariots are parked in front of the lion's gate, or the main gate, that is called the Singhadwara. And on the right side we get to see the Snana Mandapa, or the bathing altar, where the lords were taken in their own bodies, no representative idol, to that place where the lords were being bathed with 108 pitchers of anointed water. And on the left side we saw the temple kitchen. Temple kitchen is unique in the sense that the cooking is done in a most scientific way, and today we call it science, but it has been there for hundreds and thousands of years. It is called the steam cooking. One pot, the bigger pot would be the below, and little smaller would be on the top, and still little smaller would be on the top. This is the way it is being done, and the entire process of cooking is done through steam process, which the doctors they advise today. So one can understand very easily that how scientific, how methodical was or is the worship. And this is one of the, I cannot call it to be a ritual, and it is not a ritual, it is a practice that His Holiness the Shankaracharya from Govardhan Pit, he has to alight the Charamalaj and go there to ensure that everything has fallen into the decency and decorum. He has nothing to do any puja or worship there. He is actually the ex officio president of the Mukti Mandapa. Mukti Mandapa is the body of the learned Brahmins. Whenever there is any doubt and disbelief about anything in our social custom, the people they go there, devotees they go to the wise men of Mukti Mandapa, and they get their doubts and disbeliefs cleared. So Shankaracharya from Govardhana Pit, the name of his monastery or the mutt, that is Govardhana Matha, has to do this making rounds of the different chariots. After that, there will be the highlighted ritual. It's not a ritual here with Shankaracharya, it's a practice that is being followed. Because since he is the president of the Mukti Mandapa Brahman Sabha, so he has to go there and ensure that everything is okay, and the chariots are ready to be dragged by the devotees to the ultimate destination, that is called the garden house or the Gundicha Ghara of the Lords. And and the present Shankaracharya is 145th on the line of descending, and he is a Vedic mathematician, is a learned fellow. He's a learned fellow, very aged, one can see, walking, little drooping around the chariot or around the canopy of the chariot. So after making this practice, he would be alighting other chariot. So this is the way all three chariots would receive Shankaracharya himself. Shankaracharya, Nishchilananda Saraswati, and the mutt or the monastery where he is there. That monastery was founded by Adi Shankaracharya 2500 years back. He has the blessings for all the servitors there, because the servitors, they show their eagerness to welcome Shankaracharya, and this is how Shankaracharya, Nishchilananda Saraswati, he is from the line of Saraswati, because there are 10 lines of there 10 orders in the line are there, and Saraswati is one, Giri is another. So that is the way. Now rains have started again. Of course this time it is little heavier, but that will not any way that shall dampen the spirit or that shall obstruct the following of the rituals. So after making a round, he has the blessings for all the people there. He is the holiest of all holy people connected to the temple of Lord Jagannatha. After blessing everybody, he is coming down, and there are two other of his followers. They are also called the Dandi Swami, because they weld two pieces of cane. One can see on the left side that cane is there. That actually belongs to Shankaracharya Nishchilananda Saraswati. So he would be holding that once he is on the ground before taking onto the chariot of Goddess Subhadra. An old man, a very wise man, an expert on Vedic mathematics, with a tremendous memory, and after the car festival is over, at the advent of Shravana, he would keep himself inside the matha and he would not go out. And that is the way he would be observing the Chaturmasya Vrata, that is for the rain season. So this is how he is coming down. The other Dandi Swamis and the other people from the monastery, they are helping him, because it is a difficult thing to alight on the charmala or the Mexip ladder, because with the rains it has become slippery, and every precaution has to be taken so that one doesn't skid. And now, after completing the small rituals, actually that is not a ritual, it is not codified in Madala Panji or in the record of rites. It is a practice that is followed, and now Shankaracharya would be alighting the charmala to be in audience with Goddess Subhadra. That is the way he has to do, and he has to make the rounds. And after that, after doing the same thing, making a round around the floor of the chariot, there on the top floor of the chariot, around the inner canopy, he would come down to get into the ladder of Lord Jagannatha. That is the way he is being helped. And flowers are also there, flowers and other things which are needed for the decoration of the holy bodies of Lord Balabhadra, Goddess Subhadra and Lord Jagannatha. They are kept ready and they would be decorated, because without the decoration the lords will not